Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, Vuyokazi posts this gorgeous picture of herself. Listen, Vuyokazi looks like she's on another level, guys. She really looks so good, you guys. I don't know if it's married, I don't know what is it, but okay, looks good. And listen, every opportunity she gets to pose in a picture, best believe that ring is gonna come out, honey, because there's something about, wanting something and praying for something and living in your answered prayer era. Like, why shouldn't you rejoice over it? So she posted this picture, extremely cute, you guys. I saw her husband commented and said, my beautiful wife. Because guys, I love how Koladi will always be in Vuyokazi's comment section complimenting his wife, because I don't understand the interview. Why must a man be so present on social media yet he doesn't ever comment on his person's pictures? I understand if the guy is not an active person, but to active, yet we are told that you're probably going through seeing other women's pictures there. You must comment on your wife's pictures, please. If you're a guy listening to this, please do the right things. So anyway, he commented there, and Vuyokazi's fans, okay, they were in the comment section, busy saying Sibariwe country and whatnot. And then I saw wherever she was at. So the previous day, she posted a screenshot of, I'm not so sure if it's airplane tickets, but it was some sort of ticket. And she tagged Vicky, so you could see wherever they were going to celebrate or whatever they were doing. Or maybe this could have been something that has already passed. She was with Vicky. So then, wherever they were at, guys, Taba, there was someone who recognized Vicky, Vuyokazi, and asked for a picture. So that person posted that picture on Instagram and tagged both of them. And that's probably the picture you should be seeing on your screen right now. I thought to myself that because there's been I'm a him, you guys going around about, Vicky, the type of friendship. I mean, we've spoken about the type of friendship that we as the public perceive when it comes to Vuyokazi and Vicky's friendship. They are still growing strong, you guys. I was curious to see whether their friendship was going to still grow strong, because there were so many things that were being said after the episode had aired when Vicky appeared on Izingane's Tembe. Some people were like, Vicky doesn't have good intentions for Vuyokazi. I won't lie, I was siding more towards that. I just felt like it's not make sure type of vibes, and other people like she actually is a really good friend. So to see that their friendship is still standing strong, you guys, that's a beautiful thing. I guess I don't honestly, I guess Koladi didn't find the problem with their relationship, because as a man or as a woman, it's not okay to come into people's lives and to want to cut off friendships that were there before you. I know sometimes some friendships are not good for people, but like, you don't go around bossing people. You can share and tell a person, I don't like so and so friends, but it's not your position to be taking or canceling out people's friendships or friendships out of people's lives. So they are still very much following one another. They are still close. People in the comment section were actually saying on the picture that Vuyokazi posted, people were actually saying that, Vicky, you're a real friend, like you're still here standing, blah, 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 blah. I really hope that's the case, you guys, because this day and age, did you guys hear about Winnie Khumalo's daughter who was poisoned by a friend? This day and age, guys, like, it's difficult to find friends who are really gonna be for you. And when you really find people who really love you like that, people who are not gonna be jealous over you, people who are not gonna have the mentality that I'm prettier than you, all of those things, people who are genuinely going to be happy for you, keep those people in your life, pray for those people, pursue such relationships, because guys, anyway, let's park it right there. Tell me what you guys think. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.